What's that? Oh man, that's big.
Transats? No,
Oh yeah.
it's so Transat.
Very nice, very good. Not exactly what I want, but still. Another Freightliner or international? I think it's an international.
They're similar, eh?
Yeah, they're similar, especially from a distance. Oh, Canada Post, yeah, international. See, that's the one I told you I saw it today. But I'm telling you, dude, it sounded like an old Detroit engine in it. Not a two-stroke, but like not a 6.2, but something along those lines.
It's just a Durastar. It's actually really recent.
Durastar.
The MT train coming.
Where?
Well, where else would an AMT train be coming?
Oh yeah, thank you, buddy. Excellent. Camera off.